out to Bend Motorplex. We got the Hellcat and we got a Shelby GT500 and it's gonna be amazing. We're about to go into the lineup and get some racing in. I just raced this Mustang and he smoked me. He even let off the gas a little early on the line too there. He ran a 13.27, I ran a 13.59. Oh yeah, 14.8. Got this awesome cars. This guy we saw at Sparta. That's a car that rumbled by. I like this one right here. It's pretty awesome. We got this crazy car here. That car is wild. Got my car out here. Took my plates off, see? We got like a straight up professional race car right here.
When you set the first two ball cut, that's pre-staged. And then when the second ball comes on, that's when you floor it. So, third ball, wind, good air, good drag, floor.
Got a lot of cars lined up waiting to go. Call out showed up right as it starts to rain. Son of a gun. Hey, bud.
Hey.
Woo. Oh man, look at this 1970s Camaro.
Right up.
383.
Raining.
Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna let him shut the hood. It's raining.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go see if I can get.
And just like that, he shows up and he leaves. The rain. Why?
Okay. Shit, this guy's got everything I need to get him. I'm like, holy fuck.
Yeah, buddy showed up just as it started to rain. Like, he literally paid and came into the gate as it's raining.
Oh, he'll get a rain check then, I wonder.
Yeah, hopefully they give him his money back. He's never had that car in the rain in 15 years, he told me.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Where's he from?
I was just like, so sorry, man. He's like right around here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's not too far. Oh my god, he popped the hood. Oh man, his motor is wild. That octane boost?
No, I just got 94. I bought some of that last time though, but yeah, no.
Yeah, I put 91 in today, and I can totally see a difference between the 94 and 91. The 94, I was running like low 13 4s and stuff,
oh, okay.
13 3s, and now I'm like 13 5, 13 5 9, 13 6. Love these Hellcats. So amazing. All right, that's it for the night. Track is closed. It's raining. It's like pouring rain. Oh, well, I got, what, 3 runs in or so like that. Hey, I didn't get kicked off the track, and it wasn't me leaking, so that's good. Stopping at Timmy's on my way home. Look it, no rain over here. Oh shit, I'm driving without my license plates. And I went past OPP and they didn't stop me. Oh my god. No license plate. I'm a dumbass.